Linking your bank to Magento is essential for processing payments and managing transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to set up your bank connection in Magento. Step 1. Access Admin Panel. Log into your Magento admin panel using your credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to the payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. In the admin panel, go to Stores and select Configuration. From there, find the Sales section and click on Payment Methods to access the payment settings. Step 3. Choose your payment method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank details. Fill in the required bank details, including your account number, routing number, and any other necessary information. Make sure to double check for accuracy to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 5. Save and test. After entering all the information, click the Save Config button to apply the changes. It is important to test the payment method to ensure it's working correctly by making a small transaction. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank to Magento and streamline your payment processing. If you encounter any issues, consult Magento's documentation or seek assistance from a professional.